In our tech-centric world, the explosive growth of data is transforming our lives, demanding innovative management solutions. With data demand soaring, resilient data infrastructure is a must. Businesses now require advanced systems for large-scale information management. Recent reports underscore the crucial role of selecting the right partner, as human error accounts for 70% outages. Meet Vertiv, the guardian of uninterrupted operation and maintenance for your critical infrastructure. Our operation and maintenance services team form the cornerstone of continuous performance, keeping your critical infrastructure resilient. Our services encompass custom-made maintenance plans, energy optimization tactics, and comprehensive technical support, all tailored to meet the distinct requirement of your critical infrastructure. Our experts are the backbone of our operation and maintenance services. Armed with a deep understanding of your critical infrastructure, they tirelessly conduct meticulous maintenance, scrutinize data, and collaborate with you to fine-tune performance. Our training is laser-focused, equipping our team with cutting-edge skills. Vertiv's power and cooling trainings forms our foundation, emphasizing 100% labor compliance and safety. This ensures our experts stay ahead in tech trends. Through extensive years of operational excellence and the diligent oversight of dedicated subject matter experts conducting site inspections, your infrastructure is not only secure but also consistently at the forefront of innovation. When you choose Vertiv, you're choosing a partner that guarantees industry-based uptime, 24/7 on-site monitoring, and subject matter training for your on-site team. Our report analysis and feedback loops ensure continuous improvement. Vertiv also provides live quality service for major equipment in your facility. Our audits identify and address deficiencies, keeping your operations running smoothly. Our passion, innovation, and expertise converge to power your data-driven world. Choose Vertiv as your preferred operation and maintenance partner and become a part of One Vertiv, redefining excellence together.